Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite has crashed. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up a file explorer, go to this PC and you just need to open the disk where Fortnite is installed, and after opening it you just need to open the Fortnite folder and open the Fortnite game folder and open the binaries folder and Win64 folder. And now you just need to open easy anti-cheat combo. You just need to open this folder guys, not this folder. You just need to open it and you just need to right click on the easy anti-cheat setup.exe and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to select repair service. After finishing this, select finish. After doing this, you just need to go back. You just need to open the battle.i folder and now right click on the uninstall battle.bat file and select run as administrator and select yes. After getting uninstall done, you just need to right click on the install battle.bat file and select run as administrator and select yes. After getting install done, you just need to close it off here. Right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type app data, click on OK. Now you just need to double click on the local folder. In here you just need to search for Fortnite game folder, double click on it, double click on the saved folder, double click on the logs folder, and whatever in here you just need to delete it guys. Just delete it. After deleting it you just need to go back and now double click on the crashes folder. Whatever in here you just need to delete it guys. Select all and right click on it and delete it. After deleting it you just need to close it off here and now right click on the recycle bin and select empty recycle bin and select yes. Now you just need to open the Fortnite and there is no more crashes guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.